Welcome to Big Blue Swim School Franchise Opportunity. My name is Scott Thompson. I'm the Chief Development Officer for Big Blue Swim School. I'm very excited to have you looking at the Big Blue opportunity here as a prospective franchisee with us. So not only will we teach a child how to swim and have safety in and around water, but we will also teach them life skills, confidence, to achieve anything else that comes their way in life, whether it's education, whether it's running a marathon, whether it's whatever it is. We're giving that child the ability to do things and plan things and be successful on their own. These great players in the space have opened up the door to the swim school lesson industry. We believe we're 3.0, and here's why. Number one, our technology is bar none. It's proprietary. It allows for the parents to book, rebook, track, and see the success of their child as they go through the program. Number two, we build more water. We typically have 13 capacity playing lanes. Most parents have 2 children, 36 months apart, and our program, if a child's 2.5, when typically they are able to learn to swim, and they have an older sibling at 5 years old, you can get both children at the same time. You know, as a parent, that 30-minute window you have on a Saturday, getting them in and out all at the same time, bar none. I can't wait to have my call with you and learn more about your background and learn about who you are and how your skills and prior experiences bringing them to Big Blue can really enhance our brand and help us inspire big moments in your community. I'm really excited to talk to you.